What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about string methods. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button and hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial or video. Let's get right into it. So basically, what is a string method? A string method is basically a way of modifying modifying a string to use it in a different way. So here I have written down all the methods here that we're going to be using in this video. So first we're going to talk about the dot strip method. So we're going to take some input from the user here. So we can say text is equal to input. We can just say input here. And then we can print out text. And we can also print out text again. This time we can see the difference by using the dot strip method. Okay, now once we run this here, it's going to ask us for some input down here in our terminal. So we can just say space, 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 hello, space, space. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to remove all the extra blank spaces in our text. So before, if we didn't have the dot strip, we would have a bunch of spaces before and after our hello. But using the dot strip method, we remove all those blank spaces. Now let's talk about what the len or length function does. This is not a method, so don't get these two confused, but this is a function. So basically what the function will do is it'll tell you the length of the string. So I'll just quickly comment this code out. And if you don't know how to comment out a code, commenting out a code is basically you put a hashtag in front of the line you want to comment out, and it won't run that piece of code. So here we can take out this dot strip here and put a len or length function around this. And once we run this again, we can type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And it prints out the length of 5 because our string has a length of 5. Now, let's talk about what the lower method does. You guys can probably already guess it, but here, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I want to uncomment this code here. And we're going to write text dot lower and then put parentheses. And now let's save this and then run it. And now once we run it, we can type in like some capitals and we can say hello world. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to remove all the uppercase letters and convert them into lowercase letters. And you guys can probably already guess what upper is going to do, but I'll show you guys here. So let's save this and run it. Basically what upper is going to do is it's going to basically convert all the lowercase letters into uppercase. So here we typed in hello world, and now it becomes all caps hello world. Now, the last method is the split method. This is probably the most useful out of all of them so far, and I use it a lot in my code. But basically what the dot split does is it's going to split our string into a list based on what we want to split it by. So here we can put quotations here, and let's say we want to split it by a period. We can save this, and when we run it, we can say like hello dot world, and then it prints out a list of the string that we inputted, but it separates it by the period which we have up here. So this is our before, which is hello dot world, and it splits it and removes the period because we're splitting it by the period. We could also do this for a space, and we can say this and run it. We can say input. We can say hello world. So hello space world. And when we hit enter, it'll remove the space and have hello as one item in a list and world as another item. So that's it for today's video. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe and join me on my journey to teach people how to code.